There are always more publications and groups digging deeper into artificial intelligence and its impact. And now, The Atlantic has published 4 searchable databases of music that's been used to train AI models. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to place for the latest tech news. The number of tracks is pretty staggering, with 12 million tracks in one database, 9 million in another, and the 2 final ones each containing about 100,000 songs. The tech writer Alex Reisner gives further context to just how much copyrighted music was used for AI training, including hit tracks from Taylor Swift and Bad Bunny. Reisner points to some of the legal cases already underway against generative AI music platforms such as Suno and Udio, which have often made claims to fairly use AI for wholesale scraping copyright-protected content to power their platform. A similar case in book publishing didn't make headway with the judge on claims of copyright infringement, but piracy allegations are proving to be a more compelling argument. The full results and payout from this suit are still pending, but the initial settlement was for a staggering $1.5 billion. Now, since The Atlantic has sources of such databases, this could help parties in the music industry try for similar lawsuits in the future. Many music streaming services have taken steps to prevent, identify, or label generative AI creations, but success of those efforts have been varying. They also haven't stopped scammers from creating imitations of existing bands and trying to benefit off their work with AI copycats. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.